Do you want to know all the tips, secrets, and procedures behind lithium treatment? In this video, we explain what lithium treatment really is, how it is correctly applied, and why it has become a real alternative to epoxy and resin floors in industrial environments. When we talk about lithium treatment for concrete, we are referring to a technical system designed to densify, harden, and protect existing concrete floors, turning them into durable, resistant, and high-performance surfaces. It is important to clarify from the beginning that this treatment is not applied to fresh concrete, but to already cured concrete, usually 14 or 28 days after the initial power troweling. In fact, the quality of that initial troweling directly influences the final result of the treatment. Lithium treatment is based on a combination of mechanical polishing and the application of lithium silicate for concrete, which chemically reacts with the internal structure of the slab, making it more compact and resistant. Today, lithium-polished concrete has become a real alternative to epoxy coatings and resins, especially in industrial, logistics, storage, or multi-purpose environments, where durability and maintenance are key factors. Although it is commonly referred to as lithium treatment, it is important to understand that lithium is only one part of the system. What really makes the difference is the comprehensive application of the entire process. In general terms, lithium treatment on concrete floors is carried out in several phases. First phase, initial grinding. The process begins with mechanical grinding of the floor using coarse diamond discs, typically between grit 50 and 200. This grinding can be carried out wet or dry, depending on the condition of the floor and the type of intervention. For this purpose, power trowels or specialized polishing machines are used, always adapted to the type of pavement. The goal of this phase is to open the concrete pores, remove irregularities, and prepare the surface so the treatment can work correctly. Second phase, application of the lithium densifier. Once the surface is prepared, the lithium sealer for concrete, also known as a lithium silicate densifier, is applied. The usual dosage is typically between 100 and 200 milliliters per square meter, although this may vary depending on the condition of the pavement. This product penetrates the concrete and reacts from within, densifying and hardening it. It is necessary to let it act for a minimum of 24 hours for the chemical process to be completed correctly. Third phase, progressive polishing. After densification, progressive polishing continues using increasingly finer discs, from intermediate grits to high grits that can reach up to 3,000, depending on the desired finish. This polishing defines both the visual appearance and the level of fineness of lithium-polished concrete. Fourth phase, BECOSAN protective sealer. Once the appropriate level of polishing is achieved, the BECOSAN protective sealer is applied. Unlike other systems, this sealer does not create a surface layer, but penetrates the pores and seals the concrete from the inside, providing long-lasting protection against liquids, abrasion, and dirt. Fifth phase, final finish. Finally, a high-speed buffing or final polishing is carried out using very fine grit discs to homogenize the sealer and achieve the definitive finish, whether matte, satin, or high gloss. It is important to emphasize that this is only a general outline of the process. Each concrete floor is different and requires specific techniques, tools, and combinations, whether dry or wet, using metal or resin discs, different lithium formulations, and different types of sealers. The BECOSAN system was a pioneer in the market by combining specific liquids with diamond tools, developing its own method that is now patented. Over the years, at BECOSAN, we have developed tools and solutions adapted to each type of pavement, because we understand that no two floors are the same. Our system includes a wide variety of metal and resin discs, with different grits, options for dry or wet polishing, different types of machinery, ranging from power trowels to specialized polishing machines, and specific formulations of lithium silicate and sealers, depending on the type of concrete. That is why every BECOSAN project is a customized solution designed for the real needs of the client and the actual use of the floor. The final result of the BECOSAN treatment is a fine, dense, dust-free concrete surface that is highly resistant to abrasion and heavy traffic. The deeper the initial grinding, the more visible the concrete aggregates become, something that is important to consider from an aesthetic standpoint, in order to manage visual expectations. At BECOSAN, we offer 3 basic types of finishes: matte finish, satin finish, and high gloss finish. In addition, the system allows for line marking directly on the treated surface, which is a very relevant feature in industrial and logistics environments. Compared to epoxy coatings and other resin systems, lithium treatment for concrete offers a number of clear advantages. First of all, it provides a better cost-quality ratio, as it does not require floor replacement or periodic reapplications. It is a versatile and multi-purpose system suitable for multiple industrial uses. Furthermore, it does not alter floor heights or levels, which is common with coatings. It is a single application system with low maintenance requirements, whose durability is that of the concrete slab itself. These benefits are complemented by other important advantages: anti-slip certification, even in smooth and glossy finishes; sustainability with no VOCs, and suitability for certifications such as LEED; and energy savings thanks to its high reflectivity, which can reduce electrical consumption by up to 30%. And remember, at BECOSAN, we are European leaders in industrial flooring renovation and in the polishing, grinding, and improvement of large concrete surfaces. If you want to know whether lithium treatment is the right solution for your floor, we invite you to visit our website or contact our technical team.